What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to yet another video. So 2 years ago, HyperX released the Cloud Alpha gaming headset, which was an awesome headset for its price at the time. Fast forward to a few months ago, HyperX released the Cloud Alpha S, which now has a USB mixer amp and a $130 price tag. So in today's video, we're going to go over the Alpha S gaming headset. We're going to compare the microphone quality, we're going to compare the audio quality, and see if this headset is really worth that $130 price tag. The design looks very similar to the original HyperX Cloud Alpha. You get a padded faux leather headband and a plastic foundation that's held together by a steel bar. This particular headset is the Blackout version, which is dripped up and all black. For those of you that know me, matte black is pretty much my favorite color. The headset is extremely flexible, so I don't see you having too many issues bending or wearing this headset for a longer period of time. You get the detachable mic port on the left ear cup along with the port for the 3.5mm audio jack. On each ear cup, you get a button to adjust the bass that clicks into 3 different settings based on your personal preference. I guess it's something different. It does eliminate the need for any audio software for this headset, but at the same time, adding those clunky buttons at the bottom of this headset does make it look a bit more cluttered, which I personally do not like. Like the original Cloud Alpha and the Cloud 2s, you can swap out the leatherette set of ear cups with the foam set that come in the box. They are rather annoying to swap out, so I just stick with the leatherette pair. If you plan on traveling with this headset, you also get a nice carrying case in the box. The biggest difference with this newer updated version of this headset is the USB mixer you get, which lets you adjust the gain chat balance at the push of a button while also letting you control the volume and surround sound at the same time. It has a clip, which when I'm gaming, I usually wear a t-shirt or a hoodie, and I really don't have anywhere to clip the cable other than around my neck, which does get uncomfortable. I don't recommend clipping it to the bottom of your shirt because then you have the really long cable getting tangled around your chair and your legs when you're moving around. It doesn't really sit flat either, so putting it on your desk didn't really seem to help much. When you get into comfort, this headset is super comfortable. You won't have to worry about a good fit with this headset like I mentioned before, and with the extra padding, it doesn't feel heavy either. All that being said, let's get into the main purpose of this headset, which is gaming. Let's just get it out of the way. This headset sounds absolutely fantastic. You have both the mids, the highs, and the lows of this headset sounding very crisp and clear. The directional audio worked really well in stereo mode when playing Call of Duty Warzone. I was able to easily pinpoint where my enemies were as if I was wearing a pair of Astro A40 TRs. Getting into the surround sound, I didn't notice a crazy difference, to be honest. It felt right in line with the other gaming headsets that are out there in its price range, which made me question if the USB mixer was really worth it at all. I guess for most of you out there, it will be a huge convenience factor to have that USB mixer to toggle between stereo and 7.1 surround sound while controlling both your audio and toggling your mute. But then again, how useful is it really when your USB mixer is hanging off the floor with a super long cable? Alright guys, so the next thing we're going to do now is test out the microphone quality with this headset. If you guys were wondering, this headset is compatible with every platform out there: Xbox, PlayStation, PC, every platform. So now we're going to switch over to the microphone on the headset and take a listen in and see how this microphone quality compares to, say, a studio mic like the Rode NT1 here, which obviously is much more expensive, so obviously don't compare the two, but I just want to give you guys a quality check with the microphone on this headset. So we're going to switch over to the HyperX headset microphone now. This is what the microphone quality sounds like on this headset. Now, if you guys are new to the channel, please make sure you guys subscribe, and only if you guys end up liking this video, please make sure you guys go ahead and destroy that like button for me. Now, another thing we're going to test out is the microphone with this headset to see how the microphone picks up the clicking when you're this close to the keyboard. So let's go ahead and test that out now. It picks it up a little bit, but not as much as other headsets that I've tested. Yeah, it's actually, I mean, it's pretty standard. Mind you, this is right out of the box, so this hasn't even been tested with me going in and adjusting any filters, adding noise gain suppression and noise gates and that kind of stuff in these settings in the OBS Studio software. So this is right out of the box microphone quality, and it actually does a pretty good job of not picking up those keyboard clicks as much as I thought it would, compared to the other HyperX headsets that I've tested in the past. So yeah, that's how this microphone sounds on this headset, and that's how the keyboard clicks sound when the keyboard is about 1.5 feet away from the microphone. And like I said again, that is with no filters applied in the noise gain, noise suppression, any of that stuff in the OBS Studio software, which is only going to help out this microphone. One thing I absolutely love when listening to music is having that deep, rich bass in a headset. And I'm sad to say, the bass on this headset isn't the best. It feels a bit more treble heavy, which is perfect for gaming, and I understand that this is a gaming headset. But if you can, why not have both a travel and a gaming headset that sports that deep, rich bass? You're more than halfway there. You already added the 3.5mm audio jack. The headset sounds amazing. It's very comfortable. I feel like you could have just added the bass there, but I completely get it. You know what I mean? That's up to HyperX, and I'm just giving you guys an honest review of what I feel like this headset could be and what I think you guys should go ahead and spend your money on. I'm not saying I'll be mad if you guys drop $130 on this headset. Like I said, it's super comfortable and the sound quality is amazing. What I am saying is I would definitely recommend you guys also go ahead and check out a couple of other headsets out there, like the Razer Kraken Tournament Edition or the SteelSeries Arctis 5, which are much cheaper than this headset. I think both of those come in at around $100, maybe less. Or you guys can go ahead and check out the review I did on the SteelSeries Arctis 7 wireless gaming headset, which is probably the best wireless gaming headset out in the market right now for its price. The price on the SteelSeries Arctis 7 is around $150, which is only $20 more than this gaming headset, and you get all of those features, plus it's wireless, plus it's super comfortable, and that headset looks much better, in my opinion, than this headset, especially when it comes to traveling. If you guys would like to go ahead and check out the review I did on the SteelSeries Arctis 7, I will leave that video linked down below in the description for you guys. Also, if you would like to purchase any one of these headsets and support the channel at the same time with no extra cost to you guys, I will also leave Amazon affiliate links linked down below in the description for you. If you guys did make it this far in the video, I would like you guys to go ahead and comment your favorite gaming headset down below in the comment section. I'm kind of interested to see what you guys are currently running right now with your gaming setups. That's going to wrap it up for the HyperX Cloud S review. If you guys did end up liking this video, please make sure you guys go ahead and destroy that like button for me. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.